Hi everyone, today we're going to do Module 2, Whole Numbers, Lesson 7. So open up your packets to page 33 and follow along, please. All right, the Get Started part. So this is kind of review of what we did last time. So we have two numbers we're going to compare, 4,645, 4,580. Well, we can see right away that they both have 4,000s. So we can then look at the hundreds place and we can see a 6 and a 5. Well, immediately we know that 6 is bigger than 5, so 4,645 is greater than 4,580. Number 2, we have 257 and 2,579. Well, since number 2 doesn't even have thousands, we know that this one is bigger because it has 2,000. So we would say 257 is less than 2,579. Now it's telling us to, in number 3, we're going to put from least to greatest. So the lowest number to the greatest number. And over here, there's a chart so we can compare. Well, they all have a 9 in the thousands place. But then if we look at the hundreds, we can see that this one has a 0, 4, and a 1. So the one with a 0 is going to be the least. So we will write 9,014 for the least. Then we have to look at the other two. So we have 9,401, 9,104. Well, the next biggest is the 1. So that one's going to go in the middle. So 9,104. And then the greatest is the one with the 4 in the hundreds place. So 9,401. So go ahead and write that on your sheets. Then we're going to do number 4. And we're going to write each of these numbers in the chart. Okay, so you can pause the video and write them in. Okay, so once you have them in the chart, then we're going to write the greatest to the least. So the greatest number, we can see that these two have a 7 in the 10,000. So this number and this number are going to be bigger. So then let's go to the thousands place. This one has a 9 and this one has an 8. Well, the one with the 9 is going to be the bigger one. So we will write that in the greatest place value right here. So 79,120. Well, the next one is going to be the other one with the 7 in the 10,000s place. So 78,105 is the next greatest. Then we'll just keep going down the line. So then we can see here, these are both 9,000, these last two numbers. So this one is 9,100. This one is 9,000 and no hundreds. So that means that this one is the next biggest. So we'll write in 9,152. And then the least is that bottom one, 9,013, no hundreds. So go ahead and pause the video if you need to write those down. Okay, next one. It says Shanice scored 7,349 points. Aaron scored 7,498 points. Sarah scored 6,815 points. Complete the place value chart. Compare and order the scores from least to greatest. So we're going to write in each of their points and then we'll compare. So go ahead and pause the video so that you can write them in. So now once you have them written in, we can read the questions. It says, who scored the least number of points? Well, let's look in the thousands. Well, we can see right away the lowest number was Sarah's. She had only 6,815 points. So Sarah was the lowest. And then who scored the greatest number? Well, they both, Shanice and Aaron both had 7,000. But then Shanice had a 3 in the hundreds place and Aaron had a 4 in the hundreds place. So that means that Aaron had more points than Shanice. So Aaron had the greatest number. So if we order them from least to greatest, the lowest to the biggest, we just said that Sarah had the least with 6,815. And then next would be Shanice. She had 7,349. And then Aaron had the most with 7,498. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing on these. We're going to order from least to greatest. So we can see right away, we have one with 9 in the thousands place. So we know right away that that's the greatest one. But then we look at, we have 500 and 800. Well, we know right away that the 5 is less than the 8. So we're going to write 546, 841, 9,847. And then we would just write them in order, 546, 841, and then 9,847. If we go to number 6, now it says from the greatest to the least. So we go from the biggest number down to the smallest number. So let's look here. We have 54,732, 68,450, 5,679. Well, we can see right away, this one doesn't even have a 10,000s place, but 54,068, we know 68 is much bigger than 54. So we'll write 68,450, 54,732, and then 5,679. So from greatest to least, that's the order. So then when we list it out this way, it looks like this. And then the last one. Okay, so go ahead and write that on your paper. This says order whole numbers. So using symbols, it says order from greatest to least. So it says write the numbers one under the other. Line up the digits with the same place value. So there's the least. If the numbers have different if the numbers have different numbers of digits, the number with the digit in the greatest place value is the greatest number. If the numbers have the same number of digits, find the greatest place value where the digits are different. The number with the greatest digit in this place value is the greater number. So you can see right here, we knew this one was the least because it didn't have a hundreds place. So then we have to compare these two, and we know that 2 is greater than 1. So from greatest to least, 284, 148, and then 53. Okay, so now you are going to do page 35 on your own and then have your teacher check it. Good luck.